By the end of this lesson, you will be able to relate to the pinning and saving feature of Microsoft Project 2013. You will also be able to explain how Microsoft Project 2013 can integrate with Lync infrastructure. In addition, you will be able to identify ways to customize reports in Microsoft Project 2013. Finally, you will be able to describe some more new features in this tool. In the next slide, we will discuss the pinning and saving feature of Microsoft Project 2013. The Backstage view in Microsoft Project 2013 has been improved, making it match the competence of other tools in Office 2013. It includes a variety of new features. One of these features is the ability to pin recent files you have worked on in Microsoft Project 2013. To pin recent files, click the File tab in Microsoft Project 2013 and then click the New command. You will find the recent files at the top of the list that is displayed. Now let us discuss the File Saving feature in Microsoft Project 2013. You can open and save projects directly from and to local and network folders, web servers, SkyDrive, that is now called OneDrive, and project server locations. You can also save files directly to SharePoint and sync projects as well. In the next slide, we will focus on a tutorial that describes how to use Microsoft Project 2013.